Hi guys, we will see how to uninstall McAfee antivirus. I am using McAfee Total Protection. I'll show that software. So while installing the software itself, it will have a lot of internal applications like real-time scanning, firewall automatic updates, and other services also. If you go to run, type run and type msconfig. If you go to services, then hide all Microsoft service. If you come below, so McAfee will have a lot of services for security. So let me see how to uninstall. Go to start menu and type add or remove programs. Go to that. So in that search McAfee. So you can see McAfee Total Production is there, and McAfee Web Advisor is there. So first uninstall McAfee Total Production. So here it will ask remove all the files for this program. So if you give that, it will completely remove all the files. So if you didn't remove, if you install it again, it will be take that backup files. I'm giving removing that. I'm just uninstalling. I'm not removing that. So if you created any vault, I want to delete that. Just do that. So it will take some time. So now the McAfee has been removed. Then you can give restart later. So another web advisor also there. You can uninstall that also. While installing the McAfee package itself, this also will install. So now we will restart the PC and let me check whether all the services are removed from the PC or not. So after uninstall the McAfee, we have restarted the PC now. So there is no McAfee icon, and we will check any service running on the PC. Just go to run. and type msconfig. So go to service and hide all Microsoft service and check. So all the Google's McAfee services are uninstalled. So once we uninstall the McAfee, Windows Defender become the default antivirus. So go to Windows security setting. Just open that Windows security settings. Go to virus protection. Firewall. So firewall is on, default firewall of Windows, and Windows Defender having real-time production and temper production, automatic sample submission, cloud deliver production. All the things are there. So now Windows default antivirus has been activated once you uninstall the McAfee. So if you want to update that default antivirus, you can check the updates. And Windows having the default ransomware protection also. You can control the folder access. So that's it guys. Now we successfully uninstall McAfee. Thanks guys. Please subscribe for the channel. Then you'll get more technical update regarding the Windows softwares and other technical queries also. Um, Post your comments below if you have any queries regarding Windows or any technical details you require. I'll try to post a video on that. Thank you.